Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna be adding some fall touches to the house, doing some little updates as well. So let's jump right into today's video, you guys. And we did to refresh our family room was get a new ceiling fan from Power Uncle. If you're not familiar with Power Uncle, they have a great selection of lighting, bathroom fixtures, even home decor mirrors for your walls. So they have everything. The ceiling fan was super easy to put together. My stepdad did the installation for us and it was a breeze. I love the modern look of this fan. This fan comes with reversible blades and it also comes with 6 different speed, which gives you great airflow. The airflow is amazing. So I totally recommend. And this one comes in 2 different colors. You could get it in black or brushed nickel. Don't forget to check the description box for the fan link and also use UP10 to save 10% off in your order. So let's start with the entryway and walk our way throughout the house, adding fall touches. So this year I really wanted to add, those warm colors from the fall. I really wanted the browns, the neutral. It's just even a pop of orange. Who am I? I am so happy with the way this turned out. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this entryway refresh that I did in collaboration with At Home Stores. But today, for the final decorating for fall, I decided to switch some things around, and it's pretty similar to what I did on Instagram, but here it's gonna be the final look. Moving on to the formal living room, I honestly just switched the pillows in this area. I also added my tree into this area to give us some green and give us some, something. So we're keeping this very simple in this area. Remember, baby girl, it's coming soon, so we're gonna be busy. I didn't want to overcrowd it with decor or anything like that, and it's just adding the little perfect fall touches throughout the house but not overwhelming your space. That is the goal that I've been keeping for every holiday season. I also added some fall touches to the guest bathroom because why not? So here I'm gonna be just adding this little tray here that I put some hand towels, some little pumpkins, something cute, to kind of bring in fall in to the bathroom, and this little arrangement that I made as well. And of course this kitchen towel, because that is a trick, you guys. Get cute kitchen towels to use it in your bathroom. So here for the bar cart, I decided to display this beautiful little arrangement that I made, and also my little drink dispenser from Target, which is a pumpkin. And this year I got like the little pumpkin glasses. I think it's so cute. I cannot wait to make a fall sangria in here. The dining room area, I got new table lamps for my sideboard here. I got these black ones at Ross and I think they're so cute and they look a little bit more modern than what I had before, giving this room some more depth. I created different arrangements to go throughout the house with flowers that I already had from last year. So for the dining table centerpiece, I'm keeping it super simple until we're hosting for Thanksgiving and create like a whole table escape. So I'm adding this vase that I got from Target, and then this little plate here that it's from Aldi, and some of these picks that are like, eucalyptus green and brown, perfect for the season. move into the kitchen and the family room. This is how the kitchen looks now in the family room with the new fan. I love it. Everything was nice and clean because they came to clean the house before I decorated it. You guys know I'm taking things very slow since I can't be lifting and doing much due to my high-risk pregnancy. But here we are getting this home ready for fall. For the bookshelves here, I wanted to keep them again simple but add the fall touches. So I'm using a lot of items that I already had combined with some new items from this year that I purchased. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links of items that you're gonna see in today's video. So I got this cute little wreath at Aldi and I thought it was so cute, and it was only like $6.99, you guys. I have different types, but I went with this one and I decided to put it all the way up here on the hood in the kitchen to kind of add, some fall vibes to this area. On Amazon, I got new pillow covers. This is like my favorite way to refresh any space. Just get new pillow covers, you guys, for the season. It's affordable and it just looks great. So I took out the white ones and then I'm gonna put this ones to add some more warmth to this space and to go with the colors that I'm going for the season here in this area. And look how pretty they look. I also love ordering Shein pillow covers. I think they're super affordable and the quality is always amazing. So I got this one and look how pretty they are. I used to have them in the black and gray color. Now for the fall, I got the brown ones and white with the little touch of black. And here I'm adding this TJ Maxx little pumpkin pillow that I got. And it's so cute. And look how we're looking. But first, I want to show you that I got this 6 feet maple tree with lights on, you guys. And I put it on this base here. And then I put some moss on top of it, and you guys, this tree really gives the space like the fall vibes that I miss from New York, the colors of the tree changing. We don't get that here in Florida, so it's definitely making my days so cozy at home. And you guys, this is how the house looks with the little fall touches that I added. I am absolutely loving the way everything turned out. I honestly think it looks so much better in person. Video does this decor not justice. The colors that I added with the neutrals that I like, everything just adds so much warmth. And even though we're dealing with 90-degree weather in Florida every single day, I feel so cozy inside my home for the fall season. Guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family. I would love to have you join, and I will see you all on my next video. God bless.